Dear students, today we will be solving physics question. The first question is, two particles A and B are initially at rest to move towards each other under mutual force of attraction. At an instance when the speed A is V and speed of B is 3V, what is the center of mass here? So only internal forces is acting in system, only internal forces. So therefore F external forces is equal to 0. So it is also given that the initial velocity of the COM is 0. So they will remain at rest. So there will be no movement. So answer number 4 is the correct. Next is, on the basis of electrical conductivity, which one of the material has the smallest resistivity? So here answer is silver. Silver is the only metal among the given. Here is the resistivity will be the least. Okay. So this is the metal. So resistivity is the least. Okay. Next, charge of Q mu C and this, and the flux of this unit. So according to Gauss law, we have to apply. Gauss law, total electric flux through a closed surface is is phi net is Q by epsilon 0. So total electric flux through the cube is phi t is Q 10 to the power minus 6 epsilon 0. So since the change is placed at the center of the cube, therefore flux through each face is same. So flux is same, hence this is phi equal to phi t by 6 q into 10 to the power minus 6 by epsilon 0. So here option 2 is the right answer.